How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone and vice versa without personal computer. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of WhatsApp application. Once you check that, launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you are under WhatsApp, hit on the setting gear icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select chats. Once you are under chats, go to the chat backup and tap on backup now. Once the backup is finished, whenever you log into your Android WhatsApp, all of your data will be backed up. You will receive all of your messages and data in your Android. In this way, you can easily transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone and vice versa. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.